Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you duplicate or copy a product that you have in your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to simply duplicate a product in your ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you're probably selling to various audiences, and instead of recreating every single product, oftentimes you can simply duplicate one product and change a little bit of the content. It's going to save you a lot of time. So for example, if I'm selling a digital product for single mothers, instead of recreating it for single fathers, I can just go ahead and duplicate it and then go into the single fathers product and change out a few of the words from mother to father. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to duplicate one of your projects, here on the top, click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, scroll down until you see the product that you would like to duplicate or copy. So for example, this one right here, Anthony's subscription. Once you hover over the product, you're going to click on these two paper icon looking things here on the right. Once you do that, it's going to ask you, do you want to create a clone of this product? If so, click on the turquoise clone this product. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have Anthony's subscription copy 2. So if we want to go ahead and click on edit, okay, once we click in there, everything has been duplicated, but we can go ahead and change this. So Anthony subscription, copy, duplicate. And then we can go over here to the checkout and we can launch the editor and we can go ahead and edit the checkout screen. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to copy or duplicate one of your products in your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.